Hey y'all, thanks for checking out Euclid Mining. So today I'm down in Crazy Town and I'm going to be checking some temperatures. It's supposed to get to about 81, maybe even 82 today. It's been getting warmer and warmer. You know, we're going to get into these dog days of summer where it even gets to, 90 degrees. Probably get that for like 1 or 2 weeks. But typically it's going to be around 85 degrees. So I figured today's a good day. It's going to be 80, 81, maybe even 82. I'll see how the miners are doing, see what the temperatures are like. It is hot down there, but, it hasn't been that hot outside, and today it's going to be that day. Well, it was warm yesterday, but today's going to be even a little hotter. So we're really going to get a good check on it today and see if we're going to be able to survive the summer with just that one vent that I had installed and that window. Now, that window, I really don't like to keep it open too much because, well, for security purposes, of course, I don't want to leave a wide open window. But I do need to find a way to exchange the air. Right now, I just have the fan with the vent pulling the air out, and when the window is open, or while it's open, because I leave it open all the time, just a little bit, it is pulling air in. I just don't know if I'm going to need to put another vent up higher to the left of the first vent on the other side of the garage and have another one there, either both of them exhausting or maybe one exhausting and one pulling air in. I don't know what the answer is for that. I'm going to have to try and play around with it. But like I said, today's going to be a great day for a benchmark because it's going to be warm. And I'm going to have all the machines running. Well, I won't have the Z9 or the T17 running. I just don't even think I can get there yet with the setup. Unfortunately, I think I'm pushing my luck. So let's head downstairs and look. Let me just say this right now. This is going to get loud. It is loud in that garage. I had something else. I still haven't gotten everything into the coolers. I really need to get that. I was going to work on at least one of them today and try to get a couple done this week. But I still need to finish that project. So anyway, heat's the name of the game today. I'll see you downstairs. Again, I'm sorry for the noise. Cover your ears. I'll see you in a minute. All right, y'all, we're down in Crazy Town. It is loud. It's about 11 a.m. and you got the temperature in here, 102 degrees. Yeah, it's a little warm in here, but it's not too bad. I got the window open. I got the fan going, venting out, trying to pull a little air in here, try to circulate. And, I'll tell you what, it's going to be a hot day today, so we're going to see how temperatures run. Traditionally, I do keep this window down, closed a little bit more. I keep it right around there just to have a little air. I don't want it to be open too wide. Me paranoid, someone's going to climb in here, steal all my ASICs. Anyway, we're going to be doing some temperature testing today. We're going to see how it goes. But hopefully it goes okay because we're really getting into summertime. So anyway, I got the 2 Z11s running. I got the 7 L3++s running. I don't have that T17 running. You saw that other video with the power supply. It burnt out when I plugged that in. It gave a little too much of a pop. So I got to get that fixed today. But otherwise, that's what I got. Everything's running hard. And temperatures look good on all the machines though upstairs, so hopefully it's not too bad today. We'll see. We're gonna come down a little later on and test it out again, see how the temperature is. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. It's late in the afternoon. It's like 6 o'clock and it has been a hot day, and the temperature out here is 109.4, so it's hot. And it was hot earlier today. I didn't have my camera to shoot that one, but it was similar. There was 110 and change, so it's roughly the same as it was before. And I got that window wide open, which normally it wouldn't be, and the fan's on high, so obviously we're not getting the job done out here. All right, let's go upstairs. I'll show you some temperatures. Wow, that was pretty loud down there. Sorry about that. Let's take a look at some temperatures. Well, this is the one that only has 3 boards, and it's running at 70. Excuse me. And let's go down and check out a couple other ones real quick here. So this one is running for over plenty of time, 612, 72. My comfort zone is 70, 71, 72, and I'm right at the top of that. I really don't want to get any hotter than that. Let's check out one of the coolers. This is one of the L3 pluses in the cooler, 76. Let's check out L3++ in the cooler, 75, 76, 75. There's an L3++ just sitting out. It's got good hash. 74. Man. Let's see, another cooler one. This one was rebooting itself a little bit. Every so often it would reboot itself, and this morning I was messing with it. I've lowered it down, and it seems like it's running a lot better. It's not rebooting all the time. So which one is that? The 5. Yeah. And then the other ones is the Z11 and 71. Okay, I can live with that. And let's check out the Z11 number 2. Boom. 82. Critical. And I'll be honest, I've been lowering this one down throughout the day. I'm down to 500, whereas on the other one, I've got 681. And with 681, I'm at 130. And I'm at 107 here, and I've been lowering it down, hoping that would, cool it down a little bit. I really need to get those fans swapped out on that thing. That's really the problem. When I look at those, the status here, and you can see 4,500 RPM on the fan. As a matter of fact, I even have that one set at 100% fan on that one. The other one, the fans, 5,700, 5,800 RPM, 71, I can live with that, and that one is almost running where it should be. So you can see on this one, 4,400. So you got 4,400 and you got 5,700. So what are you looking at? 1,300 RPMs difference. That's quite a bit to have on that machine. And I hope that if I get those new fans, that'll solve that problem. But we'll see. So anyway, those are the temps. Not looking good. Not particularly excited about that. I may have to, shut down maybe an L3++ or something. I really don't want to turn off. I really don't want to turn off the Z11s. But if I have to turn off a couple L3+s, this isn't correct. This is more correct in here. $1 a day. So $2 for that, and what was I'm doing this one here, so $2.50 a day. I think I'd have to turn off the L3+s because that puts out a good amount of heat. If I took out 2 of those L3+s, that probably would make a good difference out there. If I got those new fans on there, I think that'd make a good difference too on that one. Obviously, blowing more air through, cooling it, obviously it'll do something better than what it's doing now. So anyway, got a little work ahead of me. Crazy Town is a little crazy right now. I didn't get a chance to get that plug yet. I still got to go out and get that today. It's the day's getting away from me. But yeah, once I get that back up, I get a little cable management going, knock off a couple of those machines for now, and then I got to regroup and think about what I'm going to do. Maybe I'm going to have to put that second vent up there like I was thinking of doing. Putting the second one up there, I could have a fan pulling air in on one of them, and I can have one sucking it out to really create that airflow. Right now, it's just the one fan blowing out and the window just sucking in whatever air happens to be being sucked in, which isn't that much compared. So I don't know. I think I definitely need another vent up in the wall. And with that one put in, tried a couple different configurations. Maybe both of them blowing out, maybe one blowing in, one sucking air in, one blowing air out. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I got to call that guy out here again, see if he's got time for me to put a vent in. And if I can, we'll give it some. We'll do some more testing. This is all on the fact that in the next probably 2 to 3 months, I may have a crypto mining shed. So, but I just can't make it for another 3 months the way it is now. So I got to do something. We're going to figure it out, you and me together. And if you're not sure about that, you should be sure about hitting that subscribe button. It's right over there. And of course, if you want to check out any of my other videos, I'm going to have one of them right up there. Give me a thumbs up because, man, this is a beatdown today with those temperatures. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. I appreciate you checking in. I'll see y'all next time. Sorry for the loud video. Those things are screamers.